Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. So, I'm trying to figure out which Weber grill to get. I'm looking at the Weber Traveler and the Spirit E-310. They're both around $450, which is my budget.
Okay, I can help with that. The Traveler is all about portability, right? It's only 32 pounds and folds down, so you can take it camping or to the park. The Spirit E-310, on the other hand, is a full-sized grill at nearly 100 pounds.
Yeah, portability is a big plus for me, but I also want something that can cook for a small group.
The Traveler can handle about 15 burgers, according to the specs. The Spirit E-310 has a bigger cooking surface, so you could probably do more at once. And it has 3 burners, giving you more control over the heat.
3 burners sounds good. The Traveler only has 1, right? Does that limit what you can cook?
It could. With the Spirit, you can create different heat zones, like searing on one side and keeping things warm on the other. The Traveler is more of an all-or-nothing kind of thing, but it does have a high to low temperature range, so it's not completely inflexible.
Okay, what about power?
The Spirit E-310 puts out 19,000 BTUs, while the Traveler has 12,000 BTUs, so the Spirit will probably heat up faster and get hotter.
Gotcha. What about features? I noticed the Spirit has Weber Works side rails for snap-on accessories.
Yeah, that's a nice touch. You can add tool hooks, a bottle holder, even lighting. The Traveler has tool hooks and a side table, but it's not quite as customizable. Also, the Spirit has a 10-year warranty, where the Traveler has a 5-year limited warranty.
Okay, and how about cleaning?
The Spirit has porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are known to be easy to clean, and a grease management system that funnels grease away from the burners. The Traveler is also easy to clean from what people say.
Okay, this is really helpful. I guess it comes down to whether I prioritize portability over cooking power and features.
Exactly. If you're always on the go, the Traveler is a no-brainer. But if you're mostly grilling at home and want more versatility, the Spirit E-310 is probably the better choice.
Thanks. I think I have a better idea of what I want now. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.